We have this unit today. The unit arrived with some water intrusion, and after the cleaning and soldering, you're gonna be able to test it on the simulator. The unit was not communicating, was not activating the main relay, fuel pump relay, no injector activation. Then now you can see 5-volt supply, grounds for all the sensor. Now the power supply is okay. I'm gonna open the ignition. Now main relay is working. Okay. I'm gonna start the engine. Fuel pump relay is working. Idle control valve is working. Injector activation. Now the unit is working fine. We have another happy customer here.